Question number 18. So, idhiliyum konjama trick use pannanom. What are we going to do? I have e to the x times, so this is my integral, times dx. So, ipo nama function enna? 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x nu irukku. How can I split this in terms of f of x plus f dash of x? Okay. So, this I can rewrite it as 1 plus sin 2x can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Yeah? So, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by this I can write it as 1 plus cos theta. எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I can write it as 2 cos square x by 2. எப்படி இது வந்தது? I know that cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So I know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. இங்க theta என்ன? X. 2 theta is x. So I have theta equals x by 2. So I wrote it in this form. So this I can basically split it as 1 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 plus இன்னொரு term என்ன? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x divided by 2. So I can cancel 1 cos square x by 2 and cos x by 2. So this can be further written as 2 cancel ஆயிடும்ல, 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So I have 1 by 2 secant square x by 2. 1 by cos is secant, so secant square x by 2 plus இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So this is half secant square x by 2 plus tan x divided by 2. So I am going to take this to be f of x and this to be f dash of x. Check பண்ணனும். Okay, that is why you check. So I am taking f of x to be tan x by 2. So f dash of x is going to give me tan over the secant square x by 2 times coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So this is the exact same thing as this. So half secant square x divided by 2. So we have found out what our f of x is and f dash of x is. So the final answer is going to be e to the x times f of x and tan x by 2 plus f dash of x is going to be half secant square x divided by 2. So in the formula da எழுதணும். This is my f of x plus f dash of x is going to give me the final answer to be e to the x times f of x, which is tan of x by 2 plus c. Okay. Focus on what your f of x is and f dash of x is. எது f of x ன்னு தெரிஞ்சாதான் அது ஆன்சர்ல எழுத முடியும். சும்மாவே அடிஷன் ஃபார்ம்ல வந்துருச்சுங்கிறதுனால this is going to be your f of x ன்னு எழுதக்கூடாது. Okay. Question number 19. So இது பார்த்தாலே டைரக்டாவே தெரியுது. So e to the x times 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So this is directly of the form. I can take f of x to be 1 by x. So f dash of x is going to give me, இதை differentiate பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? x to the minus 1. இதை differentiate பண்ணா minus 1 times x to the power minus 1 இல்லையா? How am I doing this? So this is x to the n. இதோட derivative கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா I need n x to the n minus 1. So minus 1 ஆல பண்றேன். So this is minus 1 x to the minus 2, which is minus 1 divided by x square. So this is my f dash of x. So the integral is basically of the form e to the x times 1 by x plus minus 1 divided by x square. It should always be of the form f of x plus f dash of x. Okay. So this is going to be e to the x times f of x plus c. This is my answer. Okay. Now, question number 20. இங்க கீழ denominatorல x minus 1 இருக்கு, மேல numeratorல x minus 3 இருக்கு. So how am I going to write this? dx. So first x minus 3, x minus 1 மட்டும் focus பண்ணலாம். So I have x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. I need a minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 பண்றேன். So I can club x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 3 plus 1 is going to give me minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So I can cancel one of these terms. So this will become x minus 1 the whole square. Okay. இப்போ நான் இதை f of x ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். I'm going to take this as f of x because கீழ denominatorல என்ன வரும்? square term வரும் இல்லையா? So basically f of x, if I take it as 1 by x minus 1 the whole square, this is u by v. So this is going to be u vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So இப்போ v square பண்ணா I need a cube here. x minus 1 the whole cube வருதான்னு பார்ப்போம். So this is going to be vu dash, which is x minus 1 the whole square times u dash 0 minus uv dash, which is 1 times d by dx of x minus 1 the whole square divided by x minus 1 the whole square times the whole square. v square இல்லையா, va x minus 1 the whole square. So this is nothing but 0 minus d by dx of x minus 1 is going to give me 2 times x minus 1 times 1. X or derivative is 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole power 4. So this is minus 2 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole power 4. So in the x minus 1, this gets cancelled. So I'll have x minus 1 the whole cube. So this is what you have here. Yeah? Minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So this is what you have here. So basically I see that this term is exactly this term. So number f of x is indeed this, and this is my f dash of x. So my question is of the form integral e to the x times f of x, which is 1 by x minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube is going to be e to the x times f of x. So e to the x times f of x, which is x minus 1 the whole square plus c. Okay, simple. Just find out which your f of x is. F dash of x, so adhaan na check pannum. Okay. Now, question number 21. E to the 2x times sin x. So in that integration by parts direct poda poren. This is my trigonometric function. This is my exponential function. So I late la exponential function is given the least preference. So my first function is going to be sin x. So sin x times e to the x dx. So either integrate panna first function, integral of second function minus bigger integral d by dx of first function, integral of second function times dx. So this is sin x times e to the 2x divided by 2. Integrate பண்ணும்போது coefficient of x divided by 2 minus integral of d by dx of sin is going to be cos x times e to the x is again e to the x divided by 2 times dx. So this is going to be sin x e to the 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 integral of cos x e to the 2x times dx. So this is I and this is some k ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So இப்போ நான் k வை சால்வ் பண்ண போறேன். K equals integral cos x e to the 2x. This again integration by parts. So I have first function integral of second function minus integral d by dx of first function times integral of second function close bracket dx. So this is going to be cos x times e to the 2x by 2 minus integral of cos or derivative is going to be minus sin x times e to the 2x divided by 2 times dx. So minus plus ஆயிடும். இந்த minus plus ஆயிடும். Cos x e to the 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 வெளியில எடுக்கலாம். Integral of sin x e to the 2x times dx, which is nothing but our I. In the I இல்லையா? So this is going to be I. So how does my final answer look like? I equals, so from here I equals sin x in the term sin x e to the x by 2 sin x e to the 2x divided by 2 minus I have a half times k. What is my k? Cos x e to the 2x divided by 2 plus half times I. And I open the bracket. I have I equals sin x e to the 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 cos x e to the 2x minus 1 by 4. When I bring I to the other side, I'll have I plus I by 4 equals sin e to the 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 cos x e to the 2x. Left hand side என்ன இருக்கு? I plus I by 4, which is going to be 4i plus I, which is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 I equals whatever is there. So I equals 4 by 5. இல்லையா? So I equals 4 by 5 times sin e to the 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 cos x e to the 2x plus c. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 22. Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So in that I am going to take my x to be tan theta. எதனால? What do I know? Sin 2 theta is going to be 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. இந்த ஐடென்டிட்டி நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோமா? டிஃபரன்சியேஷன்லயும் படிச்சிருக்கோம், இன்டகிரேஷன்லயும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். So sin 2 theta is going to be 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So இப்போ நான் substitution என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? X equals tan theta. I'm going to change the variable of integration. So x equals tan theta. I have dx equals secant square theta d theta. So when I substitute that in the integral, I have sin inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta times dx is going to be secant square theta times d theta. So this is nothing but integral sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta times secant square theta d theta. இப்போ இது என்னது? Integral of sin inverse of sin theta is going to be simply 2 theta times secant square theta d theta. So now I have two different functions. So in that integration by parts பண்ணலாம். I can take the 2 outside. So in the 2 நான் வெளியில எடுத்துக்கிறேன். 2 times theta into secant square theta. So secant square theta is a trigonometric function. So this is going to be my first function. So integration of theta secant square theta is going to be இல்ல டைரக்டாவே பண்றேன். 2 வெளியில வச்சிட்டு I'll do 2 times first function integral of second function minus integral of open bracket d by d theta of first function integral of second function times d theta. Okay, 2 times theta times integral of secant square theta is going to be tan theta minus integral of 1 times secant square theta is going to be tan theta d theta. Tan theta க்கு என்ன தெரியும்? It is going to be log mod secant theta. இப்போ நமக்கு answer we need it in terms of sin inverse and x. So I'm going to change wherever I have at least secant to tan. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல secant எப்படி மாத்தலாம்? I know that 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta. So இப்போ secant square theta ல secant theta is going to be square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So this when I write 2 times, what is my theta? Theta is going to be tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x is going to be theta from this. So I have tan inverse of x times tan theta is x minus log mod square root of 1 plus x square. So this when I open the bracket I have 2x tan inverse of x minus 2 log square root of 1 plus x square plus c. In the 2 inge multiply panna it becomes square root of 1 plus x square the whole square. So 2x tan inverse of x minus log of 1 plus x square plus c. This is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 23. X square e to the x cube. So in the இடத்துல என்ன substitution பண்ண போறேன்? I can take x cube to be t. 3x square dx equals dt. X square dx equals dt divided by 3. In the substitution panna my integral becomes x square dx is dt by 3 e to the t times dt by 3 which is 1 by 3 integral e to the t dt which is simply 1 by 3 e to the t which is 1 by 3 e to the x cube plus c. So which option? 1 by 3 e to the x cube plus c. Option A. Okay, simpler question substitution panna easy ah vandrum. Okay, now this is also a very easy question. So I'm going to write e to the x times bracket kulla secant x plus secant x tan x times dx. So in that this is my f of x. I'm going to check if this is my f dash of x. So if f of x enna secant x. F dash of x is going to be secant x or a derivative is secant x tan x. Correct? So this is of the form e to the x times f of x plus f dash of x. So answer enna e to the x times secant x. So it is going to be option B. Okay. So with this we are done with this particular exercise. Let's move on to the next topic.